Welcome. So I'm very excited to show you this beautiful large home that we have for you today. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. It's been remodeled with new flooring throughout. And you'll notice there's a lot of really great space. To the left here is the dining room. Nice formal dining area. We've got a laundry room here. We'll just take a quick peek. Pretty basic laundry room with the washer and dryer. Ample storage underneath the stairwell. And then we walk right into the kitchen. So this space is very open. We've got a beautiful kitchen with wood cabinets. We've got a nice living area here. I want to pop you out to this side lanai. You've got a patio in back, and then you've got this great screened lanai off to the side. And you'll notice that there is a fence, a chain link fence around the back of the home. This house sits on a double lot, so there's actually 2 parcels included in the sale. And it's over, almost half an acre total, 0.46. Want to show you the kitchen. You see we've got 2 sinks, so that's a great feature. We also have pull-outs in all of the cabinets. We also have drawers, lots of drawers, and we have 2 pantries. So plenty of storage. We'll go ahead and take a look over here at the flex room. So this is a den. This could be converted if you needed a downstairs bedroom or a mother-in-law suite. This door here is the powder room. So this is the half bath on the main floor. And then of course this door goes out to the garage. Now this is a 3-car garage. So you have tons of room in this garage. You also have a door in the back of the garage that leads out to that lanai that we were just standing on. We'll go back inside, and I'm going to take you upstairs before we go out back. Notice the decorative wall as we head up the stairs. We have brand new carpeting up here. This is essentially a split bedroom plan. The master is over there, and the other 3 guest bedrooms are on this side of the upstairs. So this is a first guest bedroom. We have the full guest bathroom, tub shower combo in here. Again, the new luxury vinyl plank flooring, 2 sinks. So that's a very nice feature. Nice linen closet right off the bathroom. 3rd guest bedroom. And the 4th bedroom here. 2 closets in this bedroom. So as you can see, really great space. Move-in ready with the new flooring. This is the upstairs den. And then we are headed into the master. Look at how large this master bedroom is, and it does have a nice vaulted ceiling. We've got this beautiful barn door that opens up to the master bathroom. So in this master bath you have 1 sink, you've got the garden tub, nice walk-in closet. We do have a 2nd walk-in closet as well, linen closet, and then the shower and the toilet. So that is the upstairs. As I said, there's just lots of space here to work with. So whether you have a large family, a growing family, or you just like space and you have friends and relatives that want to come visit you in the Sunshine State, this house provides that for everybody. All right, we're going to head to the backyard and check out this beautiful setup in the back. All right, so you've got a large patio, nice sitting area with a fire pit. To the right there, we've got a good-sized shed, and this lot goes all the way back. Again, it's a double lot, so we're going all the way to Cherry Lake Drive on the other side, and the whole parcel is fenced in from the backyard to the next road. So absolutely beautiful. If you have pets, this is a great space for them to run around in, or for just to enjoy gardening, or the kids to play. So this is just a fantastic home. It's almost 3,000 square feet living, and then it's got the 3-car garage, the double lots, almost half an acre. So if you are interested in this property, please reach out to me. We are in Citrus Springs, Florida, and that is a very central location. Citrus Springs is a family community. It has parks, it has a golf course, it has a community center, tennis courts, a lot of family things, basketball courts. So a lot of really nice things to enjoy for your family, and it's centrally located, so it's easy to get to Ocala for a lot of restaurant choices, a lot of shopping options, and then easy access to everything in Citrus County as well. Close to the water, hour and a half to Disney, hour and a half to Tampa, so really a great location. So if you'd like more information, please reach out to me. I'm Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand with Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-794-1426.